Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 15th February current affairs. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Mandarin duck. Right side you can see the beautiful duck. That is Mandarin duck. Here floating in the Maguri Motpang Bill or wetland in Assam's Tinsukia district for over a week is a spectacular and rare Mandarin duck. You can see the beauty of this duck right side in a picture. Here it is to be considered the most beautiful duck in the world. The Mandarin duck or the X Glericutala Galeri Kulata was the first identified by Swedish botanist, physician, and zoologist Carl Linnaeus in 1758. Here, if you check the status, that is International Union for Conservation of Nature status is least concern, that is LC. Next one, Arjun main battle tank MK1A. Here, we know that our Prime Minister visited Tamil Nadu. In that meeting, Prime Minister Modi handed over the indigenously developed Arjun main battle tank MK1A to the Indian Army at the ceremony in Chennai. Here, the Army will get 118 units of main battle tank indigenously designed and developed and manufactured by CBRDE and DRDO along with the 15 academic institutions, 8 labs and several micro, small and medium enterprises. Here, if you see the main characteristics of this Arjun main battle tank is the Arjun tanks stand out for their fin stabilized armor, piercing, discarding support, FSA PDS, immunization and 120 millimeter caliber rifle gun. In that 120 millimeter caliber rifle gun also is there. That is about Arjun main battle tank MK1A. Next one, Kotia cluster. Why it is in use? Why? Because there is a elections, Panchayati elections are going in Andhra Pradesh. If you see there is a Kotia cluster between Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Andhra Pradesh held Panchayati elections in 3 villages in the Kotia cluster, which is the center of a dispute between Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. This is the first time Andhra has held panchayat polls of any these villages. Why? Because there is a rich of minerals, gold and platinum will available in this cluster. Here in 1860s, Odisha went to Supreme Court over this disputed area. This area is inhabited by Kond tribals. Very very important. This area is inhabited by Kond tribals. Here in 2006, however, the Supreme Court ruled that since disputes belonging to the state boundaries are not within the jurisdiction of Supreme Court, the matter can only be resolved by Parliament and pass a permanent injunction on the disputed area. That's why there is a dispute area between these two states, that is Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Next one, Sagarika. Here, our Prime Minister has inaugurated Sagarika, that is the inauguration of Sagarika International Cruise Terminal in Kochi will cater to over lakh cruise guests. It is the country's first full-fledged international cruise terminal, Sagarika. He also inaugurated the Marine Engineering Training Institute of Cochin Shipyard Limited, Vigyan Sagar. The new knowledge campus of Cochin Shipyard would be particularly help those wanting to study marine engineering. That is about Sagarika. With this, we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Gear Up for Group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.